Hello everyone, welcome to the new trade breakdown video. And if you are new to this channel, I suggest you to watch the strategy video so you will understand about the strategy. In this trade video, I'll break down the trade that from today on my strategy, which is MS-SNR. And let's do the trade breakdown. On the Nasdaq, I suggest you to trade after the 2 a.m. The structure that is from after the 2 a.m. If you see here, we got the fresh breakup structure to the downside. Here you can see, and this is our support become resistance level, and this is our apex level. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame. If you see on the 1 minute, there is the breakup structure, and let's wait for the market to tap into our level. Here you can see, and it formed the inverse fair value gap. And I created my own indicator which changed the color of the candle that from the inverse fair value gap. You can just edit from the indicator by type in simple PRODEL, and you can just add the IFEG into confirmation indicator, and you can just take trade here, and SL is at this point. You can take 1:2 RR or 1:3 RR and just put your break even into break even when just put your trade into break even after it hit the 1:1.5 RR, and this is the perfect trade that successfully hit 1:3 RR. And let's break down the another trade. Let's wait for the clear break of structure, and you can see here market retest so high, and we will wait for the market to break its structure. You can see there is the internal break of structure to the downside. Here you can see, and our support become our resistance level is this level, and you can see CCT the formation of the CCT start from here, and the engulfing is here. So we just mark the apex level at this high of the structure, and our support become resistance level is there. And let's go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for the inverse fair value gap. You can see this is our structure, and it formed the inverse fair value gap with big SL, and also it went out of the range. So this kind of trade become risky, but if you take trade here or on the inverse fair value gap like this, because this is the huge SL, and these types of trade get the lowest potential of the win, and also it goes around 1:2 RR, which is already play out from this level. So yeah, this is the invalid trade here. And also I suggest you to do not take trade if the setup form outside of the structure range. And this is the external break of structure, and there was the entry setup here. SL is at this point, and it hit about 1:4.9 RR, and which is about 1:5 RR. So you can take break even at this point. And yeah, after that market break this zone, you can see on the 5 minute time frame, and let's see, and again goes down, but this zone is already broken, so we do not take the trade from that zone. And let's wait for the new structure. And if you see on the 5 minute, there is the break of structure, and this is the support become resistance level. And on the 1 minute, there is the break of FPG, which is the inverse fair value gap, and you can just take the sell trade from this level, sell at the high, and you can see on 5 minute it break the stocks, it break the zone, which is the support become resistance. You have to put your trade into the break even, like setting the TP at the break even point here, and this trade got the break even. And after that, market broke this structure to the upside, and you can see market broke the structure to the upside, and this is our level. And on the 1 minute, there is no any bullish entry confirmation, and also market went up. And let's say in the 5 minute, if there is any level, you can See here, it broke this level here, and it formed the bearish structure to the downside. And if you see here, this apex level, and if you see here the QM level, and this is the support become resistance become support level, and this is the apex level. And if you go to 1 minute time frame, there is no any white candle confirmation, which is the inverse fair value gap to the upside. So yeah, there was no any setup, and after that it broke the structure, and this is the support become resistance, and this is the DQM level, and this is the QM level, and this is the apex level. So let's just wait for the market to retrace back to our level, and you can see it retraced to the QM, and also it went up to the apex level. So let's see, there is no any brown candle confirmation, which is the bearish inverse fair value gap. So let's wait for the inverse fair value gap, and market again touch that structure, touch that apex level, and it from the brown candle here, and SL at this point, and you can just take 1:2 or 1:3 error like this, and break even after the 1:1.5. And you can see it successfully hit 1:2 error, and it's running towards 1:3 error. And yeah, this is the today's trade breakdown on the Nasdaq. And on the gold, there is no any setup. So yeah, thank you so much for watching till then, and if you like this kind of video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and also you can share to your friends, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.